We have below change, so it says 5 change. We have a button plus minus View Diff, so maybe we can click on this. Oh, so it opened a code. It's not a code actually. It opened a window that will describe actually for each file. So for instance, the first file, it's .python minus version, and it's in green, so it say, well, I add in this file this line 3.12.9, the version of Python. Then we have another file, readme. There is nothing apparently. Then there is the main PI file, main.py file. It created just a basic script. You can see that it already created a print hello from project 01. Then we have the pre-project home. You have all the things that Uwe created. So you can see, so to with the mouse I can, or with this bar in the window I can go. You can also get bigger with at the top right with Windows, the button of window. So you see, he really copy-pastes the description that you are inserting. I don't know if you remember at the start. Then he also copy-pastes the information of Git, and it gives other information, for instance, the version of Python it requires. And then we have Uwe log. So it's not necessary to check Uwe log. I mean, it's not necessary to check anything because Uwe will do what you asked it in the command. So we have all this modification. I close with the button on the uncommitted change here. With this button, I close the tab.